Hi everyone, my name's Kambri, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a snake bubble maker.
This is how you make your snake bubble machine. So first off, we are going to list the supplies needed for this craft. So first up, you're going to need some scissors. Second, you'll need a plastic bottle of some sort. This is the one I'm using. You can use a water bottle, anything works. Next up, you're going to need either a sock or a piece of cloth that you don't mind getting dirty or ruined. I chose this particular sock because it has a hole in the toe, so I was going to throw it away anyway, so I'll use it for this. Next up, you're going to need a rubber band, a bowl of water, and dish soap. We are going to start off by grabbing our bottle and our scissors. We want to cut off this bottom part of the bottle here. We're going to start off by cutting it off about right here. We want a big open hole in the very end of our bottle. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. If you aren't comfortable using scissors, I recommend having an adult help you with this part. Also, another tip, if your bottle is really thick like mine, you may need to use the sharp point of a knife to put a hole in the bottle like so that you can get your scissors inside of the bottle to cut. You can go ahead and throw this bottom part away because we won't need it anymore. Next up, you're going to need your sock or your piece of cloth. It doesn't matter which one. What we're going to do is we're going to carefully put the sock over the opening of the bottle that we just created. And next, grab your rubber band and put it around the edge of your bottle so that your cloth or your sock stays in place. So now the actual bottle part of our project is finished. So now we need to make the soap solution to dip our bubble maker in. So fill a bowl with some water, grab your favorite dish soap, and go ahead and just pour a little bit of soap in there. Now that we have our soap and our bubble maker, let's go make some snake bubbles.
Now you're probably wondering, how the heck do I use this thing? Well, let me show you. So you put it in the solution, dip it really good, take it out, and go like this. Blow on it. Notice how I'm backing away when I'm taking in breaths because you don't want to breathe in the soap solution. I hope you enjoy this new creation that you've made, and I hope you can have tons of fun in your yard making the longest snake bubbles possible.